What's up, guys? John here from Titan, and today I want to talk to you about one of our awesome bedroom relationship enhancing therapies, and that's Cupid's Candy. Cupid's Candy is really spectacular therapy as it involves three main active ingredients to bring you and your partner extreme amount of pleasure in the bedroom and satisfaction together. So let's talk about those three. Oxytocin is number one. This is a bonding hormone. It's going to hopefully help you and your partner come closer together, maybe talk about things that you maybe haven't talked about before, lower inhibition, and maybe help you guys explore different things that you guys have wanted to, but just haven't had the courage to be able to talk about. The next one, Tadalafil. This is the active ingredient in Cialis. This is going to be great for vasodilation or blood flow down to the extremities and helping out with performance and function. The last one, PT141. This is an amazing peptide therapy that's actually FDA approved for female libido enhancement, but it works on males the exact same way. It works on the nervous system for true libido effect. So when you have that, and you have the blood flow and function from Tadalafil and then Oxytocin, bringing all three together for ultimate satisfaction, ultimate pleasure for you and your partner. And guess what? There's no blood work needed. All you have to do is fill out the new patient paperwork, right? We'll schedule you for your telemedicine visit with our provider, and then you're good to go to order Cupid's Candy and a number of our other different Titan Medical Center therapies. So if you guys are interested in taking your pleasure and satisfaction in the bedroom up to another level for you and your partner, then look into Cupid's Candy. All you have to do is call or text us at 727-389-3220. If you want to read up about it and any more of our other therapies, go to titanmedicalcenter.com. And guys, always go check out our YouTube page for all the cool content, all the therapy breakdowns, and a lot more. Just type in Titan Medical Center, right? Hit the all notifications button, the subscribe button. You guys are good to go. So I'm John from Titan, and I'll be back with more awesome videos to help you guys learn about our awesome therapies here at Titan Medical Center. Thank you.